Hello guys, welcome back to Unmasking Crypto together with me, and let's see currently what's happening in Bitcoin price for this week. And also I'd like to tell you guys, if you guys haven't watched my previous video, go to check it out because I have also explained in that how Bitcoin price could move due to this war and all the global tension which is currently happening, and that could actually make Bitcoin price to move in very volatile way because even DXY is currently very weak and it's very bearish in this week. And let's see currently what's has happened in Bitcoin price. If you guys see, I'm currently the daily time frame. Bitcoin price is actually at the same level of the previous high of Bitcoin price where it went around on March, which was last month. Okay, currently it's at that price level. I've mentioned earlier in my previous video that there's possibility for Bitcoin price to reach the previous high and then it will give a rejection. So as expected in the daily time frame, Bitcoin price have exactly reached the previous high and then it has rejected that price level which was around 75.9k. But currently Bitcoin price overall, if you look, the movement still looks bullish. But for me to see Bitcoin price to go more bullish is when the daily candle able to close fully above this previous high. Let me show you guys. Only if the daily candle able to break above here. I want the daily candle to break above this price level, which is around 75.95k. If the candle able to break above here, then I'm really gonna feel that Bitcoin have a high possibility for the price to continue in the uptrend more bullish way. Till that, I cannot confirm that Bitcoin price will continue its bullish and also have a probability to reach the 80k. Only if it gives us a solid breakout of the daily candle above here, and then it able to give this kind of movement, a breakout and retracement, and then another higher high, then we can expect Bitcoin price to go up to $80,000. Until that, we need to wait and see how Bitcoin price is going to move also. And besides that, if you guys look in the dollar index, I've shown you on my previous video that we have a gap at this area. That dollar index need to fill up this gap because if you guys see, I'm going to show you guys. Previously, dollar index had the similar type of gaps and it came all the way to fill up the gap and then it gives the next movement. If you guys look here, similarly, here also it has a gap at this. If you guys couldn't see, let me show you guys. I'll put a circle here. Okay, at this level, we have a gap when the dollar index was falling down in the bearish way. It has leave a gap and then it fill up this gap and then it move towards the next direction, which was the bullish direction. Even at this area, you guys can see another gap. When it was going in the bullish term, it has leave here a gap, but then not for a long time, it still came down and then it have fill up this gap and then it give to the next direction. So same goes here. What is I'm expecting technical wise, the dollar index will come and close this gap and then it could give us the next move of to close this gap which is up here. This one was leave during I think last week if I'm not mistaken. This gap happened last week when there was the war effect between US and Iran. Due to that, this gap happened. So for now, I'm thinking that based on my point of view, I'm expecting the dollar index will close this gap first, and then it will give us a reversal to close this gap, which is up here, still haven't closed yet. So technical wise, so far, all this while it was happening like that. When there's a gap, dollar index will come and fill the gap, and then it will move towards the next direction. So I'm still expecting the same way to happen, but we still have to wait and see because US, US have said that if US have warned Iran to make a deal or else fighting will resume. Here the new update have released out actually today. So we need to see what you see here. Today, discussed message exchange between Iran and the US. The White House has expressed optimism about reaching a deal, nothing that a potential second round of talks would likely be held in Pakistan. So, there's still a strong tension is going out in this global tension, which is the strong tension is between this US and Iran. The war tension is still going around. Currently, the talk is still not smooth between these two countries. So this could still cause a huge impact towards the crypto market as well, which is mainly you guys see the Bitcoin price will have an impact and it will cause the next movement of Bitcoin. Because currently, if you guys see, I've found another thing, the daily time frame in Bitcoin price. I'm going to show you guys that. I don't know if you guys have find that, but I find that Bitcoin have actually gave us a breakout here. If you guys look closely at this area, you guys actually this is actually a bear flag, but it happened in a reversal way. So currently, if you guys see in the daily time frame, we can see here a breakout, and then here is where it reaches the previous high, and then currently it retrace back at this trend line again, and still it's moving around here. So we have like a two solid candle outside this trend line. But for me, as I told you guys, only if Bitcoin price able to break around this price level, which was around 75.9K, then I'm expecting Bitcoin to continue its bullish runway towards the $80,000 price value. But we still have to wait and keep focusing. Don't worry about that. I'll keep you all guys update, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, guys. Stay tuned for the next video.